ultimately when you're trying to solve business problems, just talking about the tech doesn't work, right? And when you're a deep tech company with deep technology founders, just talking about speeds and feeds or features and functionality, and again, I talk about feeds and functionality all the time, and business people's eyes glaze over. We're 10,000 people. But being able to figure out tying that capability to a product, to potentially a business actual problem. Just because you solve some amazing science experiment doesn't mean businesses actually care about it. So as a technical founder, starting to talk to technical people and be like, hey, have you actually seen a problem with this? Like, is this something that you're struggling with? Like, do you actually care if you could do X 5% faster? And if you could, like, what does that do for you? And being able to think through how you take that very technical thing and start to translate it into a problem that people care about is important. So taking that back to Israeli specifically, selling to startups is infinitely easier, of course, than selling to enterprises. So get some startups to buy from you. Can you then graduate after a couple conversations, right? It's a lot easier to screw up on startup XYZ than John Deere or JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs. Learn from that before going to these massive enterprises. But you definitely want to spread your customer base, right? Start here because it's a lot easier to sell and interact with people in person. But I highly recommend having a go-to-market person in the United States. People like to buy from people that they're looking at, right? At the end of the day, people buy from people that they respect and, can relate to.